In this video, I want to show you how to link to a specific section of a book in a note that you have. So let's say I'm here in 2 Timothy 1:18 and I'm doing some study on this. So let's open up a commentary on this. Let's go with this one right here. And so here I am, 2 Timothy 1:15 to 18, that general area. So let's say there's something here in this that I really want to keep tied to my text in my Bible for later. Let's just say it's this paragraph right here. Something about this paragraph, I want to remember it. Next time, I don't just want to highlight it in the resource, I want it to be right there in the text. So what I can do is I can go to whatever part of the verse I want to here. So let's just say it's right here at the start of verse 13. I can right-click on that, go to Add a Note on Echo, and make sure you have your left side on the circle graph with Echo right there. Add a note on Echo, and let's just do Bible Study Notes. Now, it's automatically going to pop up with a link to Echo. I also like to link it to the English Bible part, so I have it right there, easy to see. So I click Add Anchor again, and I do the selected text. Now, you can do reference that. We'll put it at the start of the verse. I like it being on the specific word, so I can see exactly where I'm tying it to. So now I have a note. You can see it popped up right here next to Hold Fast. And let's say I want to do this paragraph. So I select this paragraph, drag it over, there we go, and I copy. Now you can do copy right here. I like to do Control-C. It's Command-C on a Mac. And I go over here to the Bible Study Notes and do Control-V, and it's pasted right there. It even has the source material for citing if I need to. That is really awesome. But let's say I have like the entire section here that I want to remember, and I don't just want to copy the whole section over into my notes. I just want to be able to get to that part in the resource. How can I do that? Well, there's a really easy cheat that lets you get to a specific part of a book just with a few quick keystrokes. So if I go back here and I want to get to this part for the entire section, I can just click right there, and I do Control, Shift, Alternate, C. So all at the same time, press Control, Shift, Alternate, C. And I go back over here. Let's get rid of this. And I do my Control-V for paste. Boom, I have a hyperlink there now. Now the hyperlink is going to take me right to where I left off right here in the resource. I can go anywhere else in this. Like, let's say I left off way down here and I got out of the resource. And let's even get out my notes here. Next time I'm here in 2 Timothy, I see my note here and I go, oh, what did I save that I wanted to remember for later? Click on the note, hyperlink, boom, right there to that resource. Exactly where I left off right here. So just remember, Control, Shift, Alternate, C, and then you can paste that into a note and have that for any book in your library. It'll take you to that exact spot for later.